In today's episode, I am going to prepare Puri Jagannath Mahaprasadam recipes. It's very traditional. In these Mahaprasadams, there are 56 recipes. Today, in these 56 recipes, I am going to present 7 recipes. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipes. First prasadam, Kannika. Take a vessel, add 2 cups of water. Now into this, add pepper cardamom powder. Now add cinnamon stick, cloves, star anise, bay leaf and mace. Now mix everything. Once boiling is completed, strain it and transfer this into a bowl. Now take a kadai, add ghee to it. Once ghee get heated, add 1 cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix it. Now add boiled masala water into this. Give a good mix. Now cover with lid and cook it for 10 minutes. Once rice was done, remove the lid. Now into this, add 3/4 cup of crystal sugar. Combine everything. Now add cinnamon stick powder. Give a good mix. Again cover with lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Give a good mix. That's all, Kanika recipe was ready. Let's move to another recipe. Next recipe, Metai Dali. Now take a kadai, add 2 cups of water. Now add half cup of washed tur dal. Add turmeric powder and give a good mix. Now cover with lid, cook until dal get boiled. Once it was done, remove the lid. Add small amount of salt. Now add grated ginger. 1 cup of jaggery. Now add hing mixed water. Add little amount of ghee. Once boiling is done, add cumin seeds and give a good mix. Once it comes to near, turn off the flame and let's go to another recipe. Next recipe, ghee arna. For this recipe, take a cooker, add 1 cup of water. Into this, add half cup of washed raw rice. Once mix it. Now cook the rice until it done 80%. Once 80% rice was done, add ghee. Now mix everything. That's all, ghee arna was ready. Let's go to another recipe. Next recipe, dalma. Take a kadai, add 2.5 cups of water. Now add washed half cup of tur dal. Now into this add turmeric powder. Now cover with lid. Cook until dal get boiled. Now remove the lid. Now add raw banana, radish pieces and add little amount of water. Now add grated coconut, grated ginger, give a good mix. Now add hing mixed water, little amount of sugar, combine everything. Now cover with lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add required amount of salt. In the meantime, for preparing tadaka, add little amount of ghee in a pan. Once ghee get heated, add little amount of cumin seeds. Now transfer this tadaka into dalma. And give a good mix. That's all, dalma was ready. Now turn off the flame and let's go to another recipe. Next recipe, khichdi. Take a pan, add required amount of ghee. Once ghee get heated, add grated ginger, cumin seeds. Fry it on a low flame. Add bay leaf. Now add hing, black peppercorns. Now add half cup of soaked green gram. Fry it on a low flame. Now into this add half cup of soaked raw rice. Now add half cup of grated coconut. Now add 2 cups of water. Add required amount of salt. Give a good mix. Cover with lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, khichdi was ready. Now let's go to another recipe. Next recipe, besar. Initially, ginger, peppercorns, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, add into a blender, make it into a smooth paste. Transfer this paste into a bowl. Now take a kadai, add required amount of water for boiling vegetables. Add turmeric powder. Now add yam, pumpkin pieces, radish pieces, colocasia pieces, also add raw banana pieces. For preparing Puri Jagannath temple prasadams, don't use tomato, potato, onion and garlic. Now cover with lid and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the lid. Now add soaked black chickpeas, grated coconut and prepared paste. Give a good mix. add little amount of hing mixed water. Add little amount of jaggery and cover with lid. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. Combine everything. Now add required amount of ghee and add required amount of salt and mix everything. For tadka, take a pan, add required amount of ghee. Once ghee get heated, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, dry red chilli, now transfer this tadka into beser. That's all, beser was ready. Let's go to another recipe. Next recipe, dahi pakal. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of boiled rice. Now add required amount of water and soak it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add 1 cup of curd. Give a good mix. Now add grated ginger and add required amount of salt. Mix it properly. Take a pan, add required amount of ghee. Once ghee get heated, add dry red chilli. Fry it on a low flame. Now transfer this dry red chilli on the top of the dahi pakal. That's all, Mahaprasadam was ready. Try these simple recipes and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section.